Hello friends, I am Dr. Sudha Prasad, Director Matritva, Advanced IVF and Training Center. I just want to tell you about my career. I have spent nearly 34 years at Maulana Azad Medical College, where I was busy with the clinical work and teaching. My association with Indian Fertility Society is since 2005. I took over as a president of Indian Fertility Society in 2020. It was a COVID time. Everything was locked and nobody knew this horrified infection will create what. Everything was shut. So one can imagine it was a very, very difficult task that how we will communicate with our members, what to do during this tenure of 2 years. Then I started the Fertility Connect for the upcoming gynecologist and the postgraduate who all are coming out from the medical colleges and they are not at all aware about the fertility management. In this Fertility Connect, the senior consultant have given the lectures on infertility and the endocrinology in reproductive medicine, which was liked by all residents and the consultant. Next I wanted, which I thought about it since long time, that we should connect with the patients somehow, and I started eVibrate to give the vibrations to these patients who all are coming to us and they are coming very late. In government hospital they used to come very, very late. So they should know about what problem they are facing, how to treat, what investigation in a very simple, easy language, layman language. So it was loved. It was a great success because DocMode has really helped us. Third thing which I did during my tenure was the journal club. For those consultants who cannot afford to get the good journal, who cannot read out, there is no time for them to read out the updated thing, what is happening in the world. So this was done by the 3 leading societies of the country and it was a great success. The Indian Fertility Society is a very academic society. It's having a very good special interest groups. But when a young girl comes with a very poor ovarian reserve, so it is very thought-provoking. I started the environment and fertility for these type of patients to make them understand what exactly is happening in environment, why this subfertility is occurring in young patients. Another SIG during my tenure was started on early pregnancy. When the patient becomes pregnant, she becomes positive, we think, okay, patient is pregnant now, and we refer them. But I just want to tell you about, with my experience, the general obstetrician do not understand, do not differentiate that the IVF pregnancy is always a high-risk pregnancy, which requires a very, very close monitoring. These 2 SIGs have done a wonderful job to make the clinician understand what kind of treatment to be given to these patients. During my tenure, we started 2 more diploma courses with the Amity University. One was on the clinical and the applied genetics, and number 2 on the counseling in the reproductive medicine. The counseling was needed for the clinician, because they are not aware at all that how to do the proper counseling. What I see during my tenure, for the first time we have done the first virtual global conference where 61 international consultants from all sorts of, from IFS, the BFS, MEFS, ASRM, had their dedicated lectures, and it was listened by all members, outside members from the remote area who cannot afford to go to these places to hear these consultants. So it was a grand success, and I really feel very happy. And lastly, I want to say that no society has ethic committee. With a great difficulty, in 2015, I really struggled to make the ethics committee of Indian Fertility Society through Government of India, connected by DCGI, and it is a great big feather, I must tell you, in IFS, because no fertility society has their own independent ethics committee, and which is benefited by our own members and outside consultant also when they start their project. So we want to promote the good publication which researchers are doing. So I wish all the success to IFS in future, and I am very much satisfied by my own tenure, even though it was a very, very hard time. Wishing you all a good luck. Thank you so much.